Do you dream of starting a new life in Canada with your family, but you don't know where to start from? You don't know the perfect program you should go for in 2025. What if I tell you that you can move to Canada in 2025 with your family without a job offer from any employer? In today's program, guys, you don't need any Canadian business, any Canadian employer to recruit you for you to move to Canada. In today's video, besties, you can move to Canada with your loved ones in 2025. With this program, you don't need any CRS score. You don't need any express entry profile. Besties, all you need is to create an expression of interest. Declare your interest to this province in Canada that you want to live in their community, and you get started. Dear besties, this program is one of the easiest pathway to migrate to Canada in 2025 and beyond. In today's video, I will be sharing a step-by-step guide on how you can move to this province with your loved ones without breaking the bank, guys. And with this opportunity, you do not necessarily need an agent to do anything for you. You can do these applications yourself from scratch to finish. And I will be sharing everything in details with you on my screen. So if this sounds so interested, you want to move to Canada, you are interested to move via this program, you are tired of looking for employers, you are tired of looking for sponsorship, and you really want to move to Canada in 2025, then let's dive into today's opportunity. By the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Adeze. And on this channel, I create content that will enable you to migrate abroad without breaking the bank. And if this sounds so interesting, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. And please do not forget to join my channel membership to support me. Also, do like this video. Yes, give it a fat like, and may God bless you as you do so. And do not forget to share this opportunity to a lot of people out there to benefit from it as well. Remember, we rise when we lift others. Let us dive in. So today, we will be discussing one of the very beautiful and affordable provinces to live in Canada that many people do not talk about. Guys, we are talking about the Quebec Skilled Selection Worker Program, guys. This program allows skilled migrants to move in this beautiful province to work and get permanent residence in Canada. This program, guys, does not need you to create an express entry. It is done by the government of Quebec. It is independent of the express entry. And yes, you don't need any sponsorship. You don't need any employer for you to move to Quebec on this program. This program has 4 categories, and I will tell you what it is and how to qualify. The first category is the highly skilled immigrant, guys. To qualify for this program, your FEER, that's under your NOC classification, must be between 0, 1, and 2. For example, if you are like a nurse, check your NOC code for nurse. The second figure is your FEER code. I will show you all these things on my screen. So if your occupation fall under FEER 012, then you are eligible to move as a highly skilled worker, and these have their own eligibility. The second eligibility is that your occupation fall under intermediate or manual skills. For you to know if you fall under this category is that under your NOC code, your FEER number is between 3, 4, and 5. So, for example, if you are a healthcare assistant, the NOC code for healthcare assistants is 33102. So, the second number is 3. That qualifies you, that shows you that your FEER is 3. And for all healthcare assistants, for example, you fall under this category of intermediate or manual skills. So, you are eligible. The third eligibility is for those of you that your profession requires licensing in Canada. So if your profession requires licensing, that means you need to get licensed before you move under that category. The next eligibility is for exceptional talent. This is for those of you that have exceptional talent, like those of you in research, sports, and arts. Then you will move under exceptional talent and you need different eligibility. So besties, with that being said, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for you to move to Quebec under this opportunity. For you to be eligible for this visa, number one is that you must be 18 years old and older. This province did not specify any age limits. All they know is that you are up to 18 years old. The next eligibility is that you have at least 1 year work experience, paid work experience in the profession you want to move to their province to work for. That is, if you say you're a healthcare assistant, you should be working as a healthcare assistant and you are paid while you are doing the job, if that makes sense. The next eligibility is your WES evaluation. You are proving that your education is in Canadian standard. That is by doing your ECA report using WES or any other organization that can do this report for you. The next eligibility is your language proficiency. Guys, Quebec is a province known for their high level of French proficiency. It is a bilingual province, but they prefer if you have French, because if you can prove you can speak French, guys, you will have a high score than somebody that can speak only English. The last eligibility is that you can prove that you can care for yourself in Canada. Remember, you are not moving to this province with a work offer. Nobody knows when you can get a job. So this is the only eligibility you need to meet. So when you have assessed yourself and you believe that you have met all these eligibility criteria, the next step is for you to create an expression of interest, guys. When you create an expression of interest, you will be in their pool. Yes, in this province pool. Now, if you are a single person, they are looking at you to have at least a point of 50 for you to be eligible. If you are a couple, they are looking at a point of 59 to 63 for you to be eligible. Now, I will give you this tip. If you are a couple and you want to increase your chances, they want to see you are coming with your children. They want to make sure that your partner is also showing their language eligibility to increase your scores. So if you are seeing this video, congratulations, because this might be your liberation to move to Quebec. So guys, without not wasting your time, let's get to the next details. So let's talk about the step-by-step application process. Very important. Number one, you have to register on the Quebec website called Arrima to create your expression of interest. Once you create a profile, once you create an account, you will create your profile by answering all the relevant questions that they will ask you. Remember, to create this expression of interest is 100% free. Besties, you have nothing to lose. Give it a trial and see if this thing will work for you. So once you create this expression of interest, you will be placed in their pool, which they draw all the time. And if you are lucky and they select you, you will now do the main application to this province. After you have applied, once they have sent you an invitation to apply, once they approve your invitation to apply, you will be given what they call certificate, selection certificate, guys. Yes, selection certificate do selection for Quebec, guys. With this certificate, you now go to the official IRCC government, which is the government of Canada website, to create your visa application with the certificate of selection that was given to you. You now apply for your visa for yourself and your dependents. Once you have done that and the government of Canada approve your application, you and your dependent will now move to Canada as a permanent resident in the province of Quebec. Remember, one of the eligibility is that you prove that you and your family will be living in Quebec, not that you just use them to migrate and run away. No, you are not going anywhere, if that makes sense. So guys, this is the simplest application procedure. Now, your profile will be in their account. Your profile will be in the pool for just 1 year. After 1 year, it will become invalid. You also can as well create another profile free of charge. So guys, if you are so interested, this is an opportunity I will encourage you to jump on. So let's go to my screen. Let's see the step-by-step application, how you should go about to create an expression of interest. Let's move to my screen, besties. So guys, as you can see on my screen is the official government website of Quebec, guys. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this rightly. Correct me in the comment section. We learn every day. So guys, coming up, you will see the official government website, and they said this is the PSTQ Skilled Worker Selection Program. And guys, yes, this program is for people who wish to immigrate to Quebec as a skilled worker, whether they are in Quebec or abroad. So this is for program for everybody, despite where you live. About the Skilled Worker Selection Program, guys, so if we click on that link, we will read about the program. This program is intended for you if you want to settle in Quebec permanently and work. Under this program, you must first declare your interest in immigrating to Quebec as a skilled worker by completing a declaration of interest in Arrima. Guys, that's the website where you will create your expression of interest. It will then be entered into the bank of declarations of interest, and your profile will be scored according to a system based on various criteria. Okay, if your profile scores the required number of points and matches the criteria sought by Quebec, you may receive an invitation to submit an application for permanent selection. To be selected, you must meet all the program selection criteria. All right, so you can click on this link to view the overview of the various steps. I don't want to bore you today, guys. All right, so let's go back to the first page. So now, coming back here, you click on the requirements to meet for you to participate in this program. Now, as you can see, there are 4 streams to the program, and there are 4 streams covering occupations on the job market. Like I said, on this you have general requirements. Okay, so that's the general requirements, so read them thoroughly. They're about the NOC code. Now they start talking about the stream. 1 stream, highly qualified and specialized skills. I spoke about it, which shows that your NOC code, the FER on your NOC code should be 0, 1, or 2. Like I've mentioned, the second step, the second stream is intermediate and manual skills. Those of you with FEER of 3, 4, or 5, you can see your own requirements, guys. Every requirement is here. Then we have the regulated professions. Those of you that you must be licensed to practice in this province. And then we have the exceptional talent. Guys, I don't want you to bore you with all this. Let's go straight to how you should create an expression of interest. I will leave this link in the description box. Kindly read through, guys. Yeah, I don't want to bore you today. We don't want this video to be too long. All right, we want to go straight to the point. So now, if you come back to the page, you will see completing an expression of interest in immigrating to Quebec. So in order to be eligible for the Skilled Worker Selection Program, you must first submit an expression of interest. Remember, you don't need any job offer, unlike other provinces. So guys, on this page, guys, it is free of charge for you to create an expression of interest, guys. So that is it, and all that. Every information you need to create this expression of interest is here. So how do you do that? You come and click on this place that they say Arrima. Guys, this website is going to open for you in French. As you can see on my screen, please translate. I have translated this to English. Always translate. Now, the next thing you should click, you see 2 options: access online services, track your application. So click on access online services. When you click on that, always translate to English. All right. Now, when you click on that, you either sign in or you create an account. So when you come here, you will have 2 options to either sign in or create an account. For the purpose of today's video, we're going to create an account, as we all need an account to do this application. Guys, now, once you come here, you have to enter your email address, okay? Choose any email address you want to use, and then request for a verification. They are going to send you a verification link to your email. Put the verification link, guys, and then create a password. Let's do this. So I just received a verification link from them. Let's put that in. Put put your code, the next thing you will click is validate the code. Once you click on that, then you will be asked to create a password. So let's create a password. To create your password, you click on sign up. So I've said always translate this page for me. Now the next thing you should click is I am an individual. You click on I am an individual. Now they will tell you all the terms, read them, and then accept all terms and conditions. After that, you click on the next button. When you do that, it will start asking you to fill your passport, your information, your surname as it is on your passport, and your full name. Don't make any mistake on this form. Any mistake might disqualify you. Fill your date of birth, your sex, your birth certificate, everything, and click on next. It will direct you till you finish filling all your information and you submit your expression of interest. So besties, this is all for this. So guys, if you are really passionate and very serious about migrating to Canada, this is one of your surest pathway in 2025. Get started today. Just create your expression of interest. But like I said, French will boost your score, guys. Yes, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my channel membership to motivate me the more, and share this opportunity to others. And I will be glad to end this video here, and I will see you guys in our next video coming up on Tuesday, guys, the 29th of July 2025. Please, besties, come out for your baby girl, watch this and apply. I wish you guys the very best of luck, and I pray this works for you. See you next time. Bye.